Hi, honey. You say, I need advice to buy property. Is it possible for you to explain and guide me, please? Well, quite frankly, and I've got 3 minutes to give you a very quick top line overview of this. So ultimately, if you're looking to invest your money into properties, you can either buy it under your personal name, first of all, or a limited company. If you want to buy it under personal name and you're not earning too much, as in 45% rate tax rate, that's not so bad, but it depends then what your strategy is. Do you want to hold it for long term, or do you want to sell it and make a profit and then buy the next house? Otherwise, you can buy properties under a limited company, which then allows you to offset all of your costs of the interest only mortgage against the rent, and then you only pay tax on the surplus after all the expenses. Any kind of surplus money, that's when you pay tax. So that's the first thing of how you buy it and what kind of structure. Ultimately, if you want to buy a buy-to-let property, you will need 25% deposit. Whether you're buying it under your personal name or the limited company, you still need to have 25% deposit to put down. So on £100,000, you will need £25,000 worth of money. There are other costs associated like stamp duty, land tax, because if you're an investor, there's a surcharge of 3% that's attached to this. Then after that, you have to pay solicitors' fees and any other works that you have to do as well to make the house livable, I guess. Thirdly, you need to engage a solicitor to be able to do all of your conveyancing for you. On average, you're looking at between £600 to £1,000. You will need to employ or engage a financial broker. There's a few of them that don't charge, but quite frankly, I'd rather pay, and I use a couple of really good people who they charge me even after doing hundreds of mortgages, but I get the best people doing the best type of jobs for me. And roughly speaking, you're looking between £300 to £500 for a case. Once you've done that, then you can then it's about engaging builders or builders or tradesmen to come and fix the house, whatever you've bought. Then after that, you have to then find tenants. You can either use an estate agent or estate agents, or rent it yourself. Do it using online portals like Open Rent, spareroom.com, and then advertise your property. Now, the challenge with that is you've got to make sure that you understand the paperwork part of it. The regulation have become so crazy over the last 5 years that if you don't know what you're doing, I'd suggest you go through to at least the first one. You go through to an estate agent and let them do all the contracting for you. They will typically charge a month rent plus VAT on average is what they will charge. So I hope that helps. And if you've got any other questions, please feel free to post them.